We're going to go over some best practices to make sure you have a solid backup and disaster recovery plan. So it starts with preventing and not fixing. So with a backup and disaster recovery plan, you really want to make sure that you're proactive rather than reactive. With all the different natural disasters in the different regions, and even just the simple stroke of an incorrect key could cause you to lose a lot of data, and there's financial loss at risk, there's reputation loss at risk, and just nothing you want to deal with. So make sure we're proactive on that. Stay up to date. So when you get those little annoying software updates on your computer, they're there to help. As much as a pain in the butt they can be, they're not only there to fix glitches and bugs within your system in the application, but to increase and update their security measures. This goes for not only applications, but also within your company and organization, making sure you're up to date with the IT department and that they're constantly analyzing the possible threats around you, and making sure that you know what measures you need to take to stay safe. The other is testing and reviewing. So once you've decided what kind of BDR plan you're going to have, make sure you test it out and that it works, and constantly review it, because threats are going to constantly change. Everything in technology is constantly changing. Hackers are getting more creative, so constantly reviewing to make sure that that BDR plan is right for you and right for the time. And then if you're still unsure, consult an expert. We have BDR experts in-house that specialize in these kinds of things, and we'd be happy to consult with you, because not one BDR plan fits all. So if you're looking to learn more, contact us today and we'd be happy to help you out.